Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan of Mom with Megan, and today's video is super fun. We have an MZ Wallace Ambassador box unboxing. I can never say that again perfectly. And if you don't know, I've been an ambassador with MZ Wallace for about a year and have been buying their bags full price long before that. So these bags were sent to me from MZ Wallace and I'm super excited to show them to you. I think they're gonna be really fun to style out for transitioning into fall, which may happen here in Texas in the next coming weeks or months, maybe. So let's get into this box. It's very flat, but quite large. And I did get to pick out these two bags. I'm really excited about showing them to you. Here we go. Whoa, big box, it's fine. And a massive pillowcase size dust bag. I think I could like fit at least one of my children in this dust bag, which would be a little weird. So let's not do that. And instead, both bags are in here, packaged up super nicely. And let's start with this gorgeous bag. So when I saw this as an option, I was so excited because I have reviewed the Max in Blush Camo on my channel, but this perfect navy, this is the dawn color, was on my option list and I just was so smitten by it. I've recently purchased a bag in this color myself, which is not just goes to show how big of a fan of MZ Wallace I really am, that I purchased my own mini Metro Deluxe in the same color. And I was just like very, very into the color. And so I'm so happy to try out this bag. This is the Max. Like I said, it does have exterior pockets, one on this side, one on the other. I actually just recommended my mom get this bag as her gym bag. I hope you get this, Mom, if you're watching, because it's so pretty. It does have a few interior pockets, like your typical zipper pocket on the back, and two more slip pockets on the front. And the big thing is it has a crossbody strap, which is super comfortable and attaches here on the D-rings. I'll link my review for this bag in the other colorway down in the description box below, but super, super cute. Thrilled with how it looks in person. It's the softest material. Love it. Now the next bag is a new style to me. Like I said, I've tried the Micro Metro Deluxe. This, oh, it's super pretty. This is the small Metro Deluxe. And I was a little bit nervous about the color because I didn't know how I would feel about this burgundy maroon color on top. But in person, I really I'm super happy with it. It's definitely like maroon and I'm really into this size bag. I've always wanted a small Metro tote. I think they look so cute, but I could not convince myself, probably for the best, that I would carry a bag just by the top handles. So this bag also has the crossbody strap, and if you're curious, it is in the maroon and it'll attach here on the sides with D-rings. Now the hardware on this bag is like a really nice light gold color. So it definitely kind of has like a East Coast collegiate vibe. I don't know if that's just me, but the shape is super, super cute. It looks like it's gonna hold a good bit, and it comes with one really large pouch, which is, I think, standard on like the small Metro tote has always come with one pouch. The medium Metro comes with one, large Metro comes with 3. So that's a really good size. I like that the bag wouldn't be nearly as deep as, say, a medium Metro, which let me grab real quick. So just for a super informal comparison, this is a medium Metro and this is the small Metro Deluxe. So it definitely is, obviously the handles are shorter, but the whole bag is shorter. Width-wise, they're pretty similar, but you lose a couple of those inches off the bottom, but that might be okay because I'm never filling up my medium Metro to the brim. Everything's kind of at the bottom. So that's super cool. And then this bag has a bunch of pockets. Front pocket, zip pocket, slip pocket. We got a lot going on here. I'm planning on reviewing this bag super soon. So if you're interested in that, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you do plan on shopping MZ Wallace, I'd love if you use my link, which is also in the description, or you can DM me on Instagram and I'll make sure you have it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye.